Hi, I'm Richard Collins. I'm one of the technology analysts here at IDTechX, and we're here at the IDTechX show in Santa Clara, USA on Demonstration Street. Now, I'm here talking to Nanojet with Brandy. So could you tell us just a little bit about Nanojet and what you're showcasing here today?
Sure, of course. This is our new printer. It's the Nanojet. It's an aerosol-based printing machine.
Yeah, can you come close to mic?
Oh, yes, it's an.
Yeah, please, go ahead.
It's our Nanojet. It's our new debut, basically. We're breaking it here. A lot of the technology is in the print head. We have it licensed from Sandia. It has two focusing lenses, which makes our lines very focused. We have less overspray and satellites.
And what material can you print then?
We can do gold, silver, polymer, basically anything. It's just the viscosity needs to be between like 5 and 35.
Fantastic. And what kind of markets are you tapping into then? Who's interested in this kind of material and work?
Printed electronics, a lot of research and development, universities.
Are these some examples?
Oh yes, these are some of the samples.
Sure. Yeah. Next week will be fine for the holidays.
Fantastic. And so do you provide the machines or do you do manufacturing yourself?
We do a little bit of both. I mean, we really want to focus on the selling of the machines.
Yeah.
This is Dave. Thank you.
Dave's Vice President here from Nanojet. We're just hearing about your market launch here on Demonstration Street and some of the markets that you're tapping into.
Thank you.
And so this is the debut into the field?
It is. Well, we actually developed the original aerosol printing technology that's at Optimec.
Okay.
And then we had a lot of customer feedback. And so when we launched IDS, the goal was to really develop the next generation printing technology that really would kind of be easier to use, more consistent performance, and really provide value for customers.
Fantastic. So what's going to be your route to market then?
We're doing a lot of work with, over here. We're doing a lot of, we actually have one OEM provider right now. We provide them with print heads. We sell print heads to them, and they integrate the print heads into their product.
Fantastic.
We're working with other customers as well who are interested in the same type of arrangement where we can sell print heads. This particular system here we're introducing because it's a relatively low-cost system.
Yeah.
And it provides researchers an opportunity to get into aerosol printing and play with the technology and figure out where it might fit for them.
And you're showing it here on a two-dimensional surface. Can it also be printed conformally on curved structures?
It can. So we have, you'll notice that there's no shutter, external shutter. So we're able to print over very non-planar surfaces, curved surfaces, or even on the outside of cylinders and stuff like that.
Ah, fantastic. So is this your first time at the IDTechX show?
It is. It's for IDS, yes, it's the first time here.
Fantastic. And how are you finding it?
Oh, it's exciting. We're I didn't bring enough business cards.
Always a good sign.
Oh yeah, it's a really good sign. So
fantastic. Well, thank you very much for showcasing and showing us some of your research. Thank you.
Thank you very much.